What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Cardano ADA, or as I like to call it, ADA. Pisses some people off. So let's go over ADA. We're sitting at $2.12. We're down about 3.3% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 67.05 billion. 24-hour volume is 5.47 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So yesterday we talked about our ascending triangle and we broke down and we wicked all the way down very close to our technical target of $1.89, which was our target of our head and shoulders, and we bounced back rather quickly. We had the bullish divergence we've been covering on the channel. It has been playing out. We're back above the 20 EMA and we're currently trading sideways in between the EMAs on the hourly. If we look at ADA on the 4-hour time frame, we are finding resistance along the 20 EMA. So what may happen if we cannot get back above the 20 EMA is we come back down to test $1.89 once again and create a strong level of support. But if you do see us break above the EMAs, your next level of resistance 225, we break above the 55, we get up to 239, we could see that reversal in the trend. Now there is something really important I want to show you guys here on the weekly. Here's the weekly for ADA, and you can see we wicked down to the 20 EMA on the weekly. So that could give us a sign that we might see some continuation here. Now, it's not promised. As you can see here, when we went through our major correction, we did come down and break the 20 EMA, but we aren't as overextended, in my opinion, as we were in our previous correction. We came all the way up here. Look how overextended we were, guys. So I do think we have a good opportunity to bounce off this $1.89 level of support. Now, if we were to break that level, I had been covering that major level of support all the way back down at about $1.48. You can see it was a previous swing high support in this area, previous swing high. This is a massive, massive level. If we lose $1.89, we do have a good opportunity to bounce here. But if Bitcoin were to come down to 37K or lower, I don't think it's likely that we came down to the low 30Ks. I think that would signify a bear market, but that's when you could see ADA come all the way down to $1.48. But do look for a bounce from this level, or quite possibly a back test of the support and then a bounce back up here for ADA. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, we are underneath the neckline of our head and shoulders. So if we do come all the way down to our technical target of 37.8K and retest that $1.89, and possibly it could drop in this level as well. Previous swing low right here, which is coming in at about $1.71 for ADA. Just keep an eye on Bitcoin. If it does come down to its technical target, we will see ADA come down to those support levels, but we are having a bullish divergence. So if we see a throwback here, your levels of resistance, 225 for ADA, 239, and then 255. Guys, if you want to trade ADA, I'm trading it over on Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading, and they have an event going on right now where you can receive free crypto up to 3,500 tokens. And all you have to do is sign up through my referral and come up here and click Bit Event. All right, guys, that's it for this one. You can check out the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.